In the online space today, people are really making tons of money using AI to serve people and work for them and get paid. So in this video today, I'm going to walk you through a process that's going to make you nothing less than $50 to $100 weekly if you put everything you are going to learn in this video into action ASAP. So if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button and join the team where I share with you how to make money online for free and best way to make money without stress online. So, and if you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome back to this video. So now let me walk you through this process that's going to make us money. Process that's going to make us money in this video is we want to write article for people and we want to get paid for that. And in this video I'm going to walk you through a process where I'm going to show you how to write this article and how to monetize your article by selling it to other people. So if that's what you want, so stick around this video and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so we can get it to many people and use this to help them. So let me show you how you can use this method to make $50 to $100 weekly. And it's just simple. Like I said, it's just very simple if you put everything into consideration and action ASAP. Now first thing is we want to sign up to Fiverr. Right here we want to sign up an account to Fiverr. You come over to fiverr.com. Then as you can see, this method I'm going to walk you through in this video, I've been making people from $10 to $30 to $80 to $125, and we want to join this team so we too we can make this kind of money for ourselves and without stress. Like this, on this same website, as you can see, people are making $49, $15, and $39 ASAP. It's just something easy, and we are going to do everything together in this video. So all you need to do is to come over right here, you click on join Fiverr, then you choose whichever way you want to join. So for instance, if I want to continue with Google, so I'm just going to select an account. So once I join with Google like this, then it will redirect me to log into my page. So on that page, you can proceed and profile your account. If you are looking for a way to set up Fiverr accounts, I will make this video soon, but first learn this skill and know it, then build your portfolio, because it will require you to provide your portfolio to get the best result out of this method. So stick around and learn everything. Make sure you watch this video from every seconds to an end, and if that's what you want, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and join the community by using the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. So right here on Legit, you also do the same thing. So you want to click register. Once you click register right here, it's going to ask you to fill in your details, and you are here to sell. You are here to sell your service. You are here to sell your service. So once you click on selling, you agree the terms and conditions, then you register. Once you register your account, the next thing you need to do is to list out your service that you want to write. I'm going to walk you through this process in my next video, which I set up a Legit account and a Fiverr account, and I combine the two together so you can learn the skill. But today, let's learn the skill and forget about this. So I'm going to walk you through the process now. For instance, a client reach out to us like you want to write an article about making money online or making YouTube video, and the very first thing you need to do, if the client gives you a title to write about, is easy, but in this case it not give you a title to write about. So this is what you do. Basically, you come over to ChatGPT, you sign up an account, then you redirect to chat.openai.com. So once you are here, the very first thing you need to do, if you are not giving a title, so now we want to find a title to use for our article. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to give me a title for my article in making money online niche. So I'm going to tell like git write 5 article title for me in the making money online niche. So if I hit this, and as you can see, in few sec it's generating the title. So let's assume I want to go with this passive profit undercover uncover building a sustainable income stream online. So assuming this is my article title, so now we want to write this article. So now that we have our title to write about, we want to write our full article and submit it to our client without any issue. Now, this is how you prompt ChatGPT to write this article. Depends on how many words you want to write, and you don't want to go beyond your budget with your client, so you won't lose out your energy. And I do use wordcounter.net to count my words, and I know the accurate of what I want. And you need to understand something about AI can never give you the exact what you put in figure, but you need to add or minus if that's what you want. So now, assuming this client said I should write 1000 words article about the topic we just generated. So this is how you prompt ChatGPT. You tell ChatGPT write SEO optimized article for the title below. Okay, let's input our prompt right here. Write, let's say 1200 words SEO article for the title below. So I'm going to have the title right here. So this is it. So let's see what ChatGPT is going to come up with. As you can see, so ChatGPT is writing. So we want to get everything fast. So once it's done now, we need to do next is to paste it in word counter, and we want to know how many words is there, and then we format it so we can make this human article writing, not AI. We are using AI, but we want to make it professional. And I come over right here, I copy it. As you can see, this is 1066 words. That means we are done with that, and we are getting paid for this 1000 words article. And this is what I'm explaining the other time. As you can see, we prompt 1200 words, and ChatGPT gave us 166 words. So after we've edited this, we come back to that 1000 words. So you have to add like 200 more words to your prompt so you can get the exact value of what you want. So right now, what you need to do next is to come over to docs.google.com. So docs.google.com, you come over to docs.google.com. So once you are on docs.google.com, then you click on here, click on blank. Then we want to format this article, and we want to make it original before we submit it to our client, so we can get the best value of our money from him, and he will surely left us a review if we serve him better. So now let me copy this whole article right here. So if I copy everything, or I can easily come over right here and click on this button, then I'm going to come over right here, then I paste. Once I paste it all, so as you can see now, this is the article. So we want to format this. I'm going to remove all these sectors. Then we make this our heading 1. So then we make it center, and you can change the text. Use this, so I can increase the font. So at the same time, I can arrange this way. Now I'm going to make this a little bit bold. So you can just play around it this way, as you can see. So I'm going to do same for here. I'm going to do same. You need to add that natural and human touch to it. So you can see affiliate marketing. So you can play around this, and this is how you go. So I'm going to come back once I'm done with this formatting. Okay, so after a few seconds, I've been able to format and edit this article, as you can see. So what I need to do now is to save this to my computer and send it to the client and deliver it. So that's all you need to do basically. But pending the time that you've been waiting for me to walk you through a process on how to set up Fiverr accounts, or if you can't wait, you can just come over right here on YouTube and you come over to how search how to set up a Fiverr seller account. So you can come over right here and you watch this video. Right here, you watch this video, then you can get how to set it up. Then you list out your service as a seller. Once you list out your service as a seller, and this is how you perform the task and you make the money for yourself. So once you are done with your book like this, you just click right here, and you download as PDF to your computer or your phone. You download it to PDF or what. So then you submit it to your clients, and that's how you make this money. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to this YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in other video of mine.